Tortilla bread production line. The tortilla bread production line is a fully automated system, from mixing ingredients to cooling the bread through several consecutive machines. This bread is known for being flat, thin, and round in shape, gaining popularity worldwide due to its health benefits. Line components: spiral mixer, automatic divider, intermediate proofer, dough sheeter, tunnel oven, cooling conveyor. The line is available in 3 production capacities: 1500 to 2500 loaves per hour, 2500 to 4000 loaves per hour, 4500 to 6000 loaves per hour. About us. Middle East International is a leading company with over 40 years of expertise in manufacturing and developing automatic bakery equipment and supplies. With branches and agents around the world, we continue to deliver quality and innovation to our clients.